Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Renner, and I'm going to speak for a minute about developmental eye care and why it might be something that's appropriate for you or your child. Generally speaking, a developmental optometrist asks a variety of different questions, which most doctors ask when they're looking at any patient. But what most doctors ask when they see a patient for an eye problem is they ask, can you see and are you healthy? And a developmental optometrist goes a step beyond that and asks things such as not just can you see, but how well do you see? How much effort does it take? How accurate are you? And that really is a vastly different eye exam than what happens when you simply go in and read the eye chart. Now, if you're concerned about a child who has an academic problem or has a delay in development of reading or academic skills, there are a variety of different sort of concerns that people have that we might look at. If you were to create an equation, that equation on the one hand might have what you think your child's potential ability is. The next factor might be their academic or educational exposure. Have they had teachers who have taught them what they're supposed to learn? The third item might be the amount of effort they're putting into their schoolwork. And then on the other side of the equation, you have their performance. And usually, most parents are here because their children have a mismatch between what they think their ability is and their educational exposure combined with their effort versus their performance. So there's a mismatch between potential and performance. So the question then is, what causes that mismatch? And there are many different answers. There can be fine motor issues. There can be attentional problems. There can be language-based processing disorders. And among the many other causes for a mismatch and delay in academic development of performance is developmental vision problems. If they exhibit symptoms that suggest that vision might be one of the issues causing difficulty in their development of reading and academic skills, it's probably worthwhile to see a developmental optometrist. And a developmental optometrist, in addition to asking the questions of can you see and are you healthy, is also going to ask the questions, how accurately do you see, how much effort does it take for you to see, and does your brain have the ability to make sense out of what you see? Those visual motor and visual perceptual skills are an essential part of visual development, which then dovetails into the development of academic skills, particularly reading and math.